My name is Emily Chase. I'm an assistant professor at the University of Winnipeg in the Department of Biology, and my research focus is phycology and also virology. You can find me in classrooms teaching microbiology, such as bacteria and archaea, which is a course here, and also microbial ecology. Here at the University of Winnipeg, we offer students small class sizes. What does that actually mean? It means that you're going to have one-on-one opportunities to speak with your professors, and you're also going to meet professors who are highly enthused about what they work on and eager to get to know students and learn more about what they're interested in. Students can also expect to learn about many different things, such as plant biology, human biology, including clinical work, microbiology, how animals function, and also ecology. And you can get hands-on experience learning about these by taking courses that involve a lab component, where you'll actually get to interact with organisms and learn more about the techniques that you need to study those organisms. We offer 3 different undergraduate degrees in biology. This includes a 3-year degree, a 4-year degree, and an honors degree, which lets you do some research one-on-one with a professor. The honors degree in biology will show potential supervisors in the future that they can carry out research independently by working one-on-one with a professor on a project that they're interested in. I teach courses related to microbiology, so when students take courses that I teach, they have opportunities to interact with microbes, learn how they function in the environment, learn about how we study them in terms of methods and safe practices, and also learn how they fit into a broader scheme of things, so how they relate to climate change, biotechnology, clinical work, etc. Courses with a lab component are going to offer students a chance to work closely with instructors and work alongside other students. Students will learn skills such as communication and collaboration, which are vital for biological sciences, but also transferable skills that could be used in several different careers. Some examples of careers that students could pursue after accomplishing a biology degree here at UWinnipeg include clinical work, like working in clinical labs, scientific communication, so that could be anything from public outreach to working for journals. And if they'd like, they can continue on to do graduate studies and to conduct research, and that can take them in several different avenues as well, including working for the government, working as an academic by teaching at the university level, or even at the high school level or lower. There are many different opportunities for students to learn more about hands-on research, and this can also count for course credits. So for example, students can take a course called a directed studies, and this will be them working one-on-one with a professor of their choice to learn about their projects in their lab and to actually get into a lab doing physical experiments or going out in the field and doing field studies. For Indigenous students who are interested in learning more about research, we offer a program called Path to Graduate Studies, where they can come in, find a professor whose work they're interested in, and learn more about research, which will boost their applications or their chances to get into graduate studies and do further research. If students are interested in doing paid research during their summers, they can approach a professor and ask about applying for grants, and that professor will help them find the best grants that they could apply for together so that they can find money to conduct research in the summer. Profs are always looking to take on students, and they're particularly interested in students who show up to class, are highly motivated, who ask questions, and who want to learn. I recommend that students who are interested in research and who want to elevate their degrees to contact their profs to set up one-on-one meetings and learn about the opportunities that we have here at UWinnipeg.